What's banging? It's MeganMiguel and I am back. But today, got some tacos for my taco lovers. Alright, so as you can see here, I got a mixture of corn and flour. And these all come from Taqueria Ruby, which is a taco truck that is 24 hours. It's one of my favorite taco trucks. I ordered fajita beef, chicken, barbacoa. I did order cow tongue, although I have never ever tried cow tongue. But looking at them, I think that they might have messed my order up, which is disappointing. Because I don't think any of these cow tongue, sorry, but oh well, we about to grow up anyway. Alright, so let's get it on and popping. I got plenty of limes here. Got my sauce. They actually gave me red sauce as well, but the green sauce is actually really good. Okay, so let's just dig in. Let's try this one at the end right here. I think this may be just regular beef, or it doesn't look like cow tongue. I would think cow tongue would be pinkish. Y'all, this might be. I don't know. That might be the cow tongue. Let's see. Whatever it is, it's still good. This one has a corn tortilla. My favorite are the fajita beef. I get those all the time. Some more sauce on there. Guys, please understand that I am new. My channel is very new. And there are so many things that I want to do. But I'm also learning as I go. I have people asking me about ASMR, which is coming soon, but just give me time. Chicken. Look. Well, the next one, I haven't had it in a taco before, but I have had it before, not many times. This is barbacoa. You see here's like a shredded meat. Gotta get the lime in there. Let's try this red sauce one time. Hope it's not too hot. Probably should have tasted it before I put it on there. Alright, corn tortilla on this one. Reminds me of barbecue. Let's try one of my favorites. Oh yeah, it has cilantro and onion on top. Fajita beef. This one is a flour tortilla. And that's it, y'all. That's it. The beef is seasoned so good. All right. Let's try corn. Try this one with a little bit of hot sauce. Throw some lime in there. It's falling apart. So us, Jordan Peele's new movie, which I'm about to see today after this, I'm hearing mixed reviews. Some people saying it's good, some people saying it's not, but not gonna go off that. It depends on how I like it or not. The green stuff be hidden. Let's put some of this extra beef mixed with the chicken. This is another sauce they gave me. I haven't tried it. Let's see what it tastes like. Chicken and fajita beef. That bad boy. Packed full of seasoning. I love onions. A lot of people out there that don't. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do one more because I'm looking at the time. It's getting close, I gotta leave. Let's make it a fajita beef. Love tacos. Good stuff. Trying to get this down, y'all. Alright, so as you can see, I had 10 tacos. Time is running, I gotta head somewhere, so I have 2 left for a snack. I did tackle a cow tongue taco. Y'all, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Just like beef, everything comes from animals. The cow tongue is actually pretty good and very, very tender. I suggest you try it. Alright, so these come from Taqueria Ruby. You look them up, look at the location in Texas. Until we meet again, see you.